My people, welcome to another episode of M3 Reacts. Yes, you know, say for here now we dey give now gist as it hot. Now this matter now about Seyivibez and Ogba. Yes, Saloo, the TikTok influencer stroke Instagram influencer and orishirishi. Now what really happened? This gist, you want to hear it. Now you know recently after Wizkid don do Saloo for 20 million naira now, you know, we dash one TikTok at 20 million naira now, Italawa, Big Wizzy, Italawa, yes, something like that. Now, other artists follow up, though normally be say artists dey dash some influencers now based on if you be influencer they always dey reason them, shey you understand, send your account, I go send so amount. So the trend now only go on for some times, and before they dey do am wey be say they no let us know, we the fans or we the people wey dey watch them they know, but now it has now been like everybody gats know wetin dey sup. Oh, this man give me 2 million, may I make 10 camo. Oh, you know, it's normal for like them 200 notes now. You hear 200 notes post my page, you go dey let me 10 200 notes and cool like that. So stuff like that. So now recently Saloo, if you don't know Saloo na that Ibadan boy wey be say him mouth sharp gan, and wey be say he don get problem with almost all celebrities. Yes, I dey come that part now. Now recently Saloo hail Seyivibez. Seyivibez, baba show me love, baba. Okay, now e get one particular time Seyivibez come message am. Say okay, Saloo, send me your account. Immediately he message am, come be like say Seyivibez come run am some kind change now, and this kind thing change why they talk no be matter of 100 o, na millions o. Shey you get the vibes. Now when he send am the money finish, days later, let me just say the next day, na him Saloo just go live, TikTok yo, Instagram o. Saloo come begin dey yab am, why you go send me this kind of money? Say na wetin you make dey send people be this one that. Come begin dey talk rishi. And if you know Saloo, you know say I tell you say bring that gist come. Saloo don get issue with almost all celebrities, all influencers, even people wey dey follow work. Say make we no even start from like DJ Chicken dem, Malia Music dem, Portable gone that time na issue. Na very big issue that time. As they come, Portable dey inside this picture. Portable is, you see, oh, this matter long, but make I dey pick am small as e dey go. Now Saloo come begin dey yab Seyivibez. Later I don't know wetin sup with am, maybe na person follow am talk, or maybe na this thing, but according to am he say na spiritual attack, say na so him dey always dey run him mouth. For one video wey him do, after maybe he no realize when Seyivibez no give am attention, or maybe wetin he dey find he no later see am, he come drop one video, but na Yoruba he speak for the video. So inside the video now, he dey talk about how maybe people help am beg Seyivibez o, say him mouth no go kill am, person wey dey help am na him dey always dey abuse, say which kind life him come, this and that and that. If you hear Yoruba for this thing, watch this video.
Ládùúgbò kan tí mo tún ra wọlé yìí ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi, ṣé màá sì rà láàánú mọ́ báyìí? Ṣé màá sì rà láàánú mọ́ báyìí? Pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí mo tún bá Seyivibez fà. Ẹni tó fún mi lówó, mo dẹ̀ tún gbèsè pé kíkan ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi, sáwọn aláàánú dẹ̀ help mi mọ́ báyìí fún nǹkan tí mo tún lọ ṣe. Ogun ayé ló ń jà mí ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi. Ogun ló ń jà mí kí n sojú lásán. Ogun ló ń jà mí, ẹ bá mi gbàdúrà. Ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi, ẹ bá mi gbàdúrà. Ogun ayé ló ń jà mí. Ọlọ́mọdé ogun ó borí mi ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi, ogun ayé má borí mi. Ṣé màá dẹ̀ rà láàánú mọ́ báyìí? Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn ti gbé mi sépè patẹ̀. Seyivibez má bínú sí mi, má bínú. Ó ní confusion nù ni wàláì, ó ní confusion ní Afọlábí. Má bínú, ò ní wálẹ̀ láyé, ò ní kú rèwerèwe. Má bínú. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí mo bá ń ṣẹ̀, ẹ dákun ẹ dáríjì mi. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin nǹkan tí mo sọ lálẹ́ àná yẹn, mi ò mí ni ẹ. Ogun ayé ló ń jà mí, spirit kan máa ń wọnú mi ni. Spirit kan ló ń wọnú ayé mi, ẹ dákun. Má borí ẹ, ajé. Mo mọ̀ pé máa borí ẹ. Seyivibez dákun dáríjì mi. Dáríjì mi Seyivibez, dáríjì mi.
You go see say all these influencers, e be like say they get plan, or maybe they use the matter trend, we no know, but the matter go long pass like this o. After he post for his own page wey he beg am, wey say make people help am beg am, the video wey he just watch finish, wey everything wey he dey talk for the video, if he like hear Yoruba, you no hear Yoruba, he just dey say me dey beg am, say that they no know if they dey pursue am from a village ni. Now after that one, Saloo no drop for there o, he no stop for there. He come go one show wey Seyivibez go recently go perform. Nice. Next thing by the way we go see, you just see Saloo for stage. Saloo go prostrate to Seyivibez, say, Seyi, just ṣàánú me. Seyi no look inside though. You know those way they tell shank. Seyi shank am. At that time Seyi dey perform Dáríjì wá má jẹ́ ṣàgbà elele nínú plaza. Baba no dáríjì o. Now after the matter comes up now, everybody go why Seyi why Saloo sef go talk like that? Why Seyi sef no forgive am and co? Na in the wahala sef come chook mouth inside. That is Portable himself. Now come chook mouth. And don't forget say Portable Seyivibez already get issue. They diss themselves based on one or two. Wey one person dey call, one person say they copy one person style, one person dey talk say one person too dey do pass himself, and like that the beef still dey down. We never come know if they don set one for backyard, but according to this video wey I go play for now, e no too show. It's not showing like they've settled it. E no too show say they don settle the matter. So now na Portable come carry him own phone come talk say so if this person offend you, maybe how many talk you don talk for you wey be say you carry am for head like sandboard, you carry am for head like bomb wey wan explode. Oga, these boys dem don yab me too. So tey wey be say last no I forgive am because they be my boy. Now Portable, you know say Portable for a video he dey speak English, go speak Yoruba, go speak everything. No wahala no ni watch the wahala.
Wọ́n máa gbé wá, wọ́n ti gbé wá, wọ́n tún ṣì ń gbé bọ̀. Understand? Ọlọ́run ọba mo fẹ́ ṣàdúrà. Make I no offend who no go forgive me o. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yẹn, all those boys, they insult me online all these days o. Mo mọ location wọn, ó yẹ kí ní kọ́ lọ mú wọn lẹ̀. I forgive them. Na wetin they wan shop na im they dey look for. Wọ́n fi mí mówó ni. Understand? Now wọ́n wá bú yín. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ pa wọ́n ni? Ẹ fẹ́ lé wọn go on Instagram, ẹ fẹ́ lé wọn go on Telegram. Now, you know if you forgive, can't you forgive? Now, I say Ọlọ́run gan dáríjì wá. Those boys, they don't offend me, they are my boys. And I don't give them money before, they still insult me. See, I no kill them. I no say me they go track them. I'm on location, I'm a bit hungry. Tọ́ba gba bí àmà gba bẹ̀yẹn àmà mú wọn. Sàn. SOS ìbára so lórí owó mu yẹn sáńlé. Ìtàláwà ìtàtà ti wà tí pé ọmọ ọ̀tá ni wà ìtàtà tí ń gbé dígbé ìtàtà tí mú ògbó ẹ̀. Na you see yourself finish. And I say make those boys do fake life. How many you say fake life? You press 1 million for them, say make the talk say 10 million. Now you see yourself finish. But I tell milli la sọ pé àtẹ sọ pé àtẹ bílí ẹ mọ̀ kọ́ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe o. Ṣe fẹ́ máa dẹ́rù bà àwọn ọmọ ẹni níbi táwa wà. Késàrì wà o. Èmi ni king. Àwa dẹ̀ máa ń gbọ́dọ̀ balẹ̀ based on ṣé tó bá di ṣẹ̀wà ọba gbọ́dọ̀ gbàdọ̀ balẹ̀.
Portable náà no be ẹran kìíní o. Himself him own mat náà if you like help am. Last year when they wan carry am go London. Wait, just if you no carry am go London, if you no add him wife for the ticket list, no buy ticket for your wife, you no collect visa for your wife, he no go until or even up to the next day na him be event, he still dey Lagos. He say he no dey go until dem big boys dem for the industry dem Aboebe and co dem come call am say okay make you no worry say he go. So make it like say na Portable be na be the father of the disa because dem no send you if you dey give them money or you no give them money o. Now recently Portable call out the person wey get endorsement gym. The person dey sell motor, yes I think, yes, no be say I think, confirm the person dey sell motor. So that motor wey the person give am, he don use am bash before. Na him come call out the person say oga, you go give me another motor. No because of say this, if I don die nko, I go collect another deal for another person o. Same. Now all be name of say him need new car. But recently, never to tell like this. Na Portable go jar new motor. I tell you man, these boys are making money. Cause he write am for him page. When he post the video for him page, he say na him own money use buy am o. Me one person no come claim say na him give am the motor. Na one Benz Jeep like that, and if you dey look am now like you know close to 100 milli. Na him baba use do Happy New Year for himself. Watch the video.
Big God, you go do everything. Ọlọ́run ti ṣe o. Ìyanu ńlá lélẹ̀ yóò bẹ̀ ń so. 2024. Oore òjijì, ìyanu òjijì. Ó ti tẹ̀lẹ̀ sọ́dọ̀ mi o, ó máa tẹ̀lẹ̀ sọ́dọ̀ tí yín náà. A máa kámẹ́rà gbogbo ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì lélẹ̀. Pensolele, Chapel, tell her that go. On my own friends, I should have moved forever. Okay, God day 2024. You know Gigi, only Gigi. What you tell us? I don't remember tell us other thing. Hey God, big God, don't do him again. No, big God, go do him again. Oh, Latin man in Baco, Waco. Everything more to Jagana, dripping like hush puppy, Ramajaku. I you. Ah, no, sir, God, you don't do him again, yo. Angelic Betty, Bewa, oh, good video. Oh, good away, Takumba and go. Oh, good away, Takumba go. As we dey shop like, eh, Mama, it is 7 on the Bugatti. Tọ́ba gbé gẹ̀ẹ́sì ọmọ alápá kí ni máa fàájà kí ni máa gófà orí bẹ́ńsò lélẹ́yìí o pátákọ́ rèé ó fojú jọ pátá ẹ gbà mí o bí gọ́dù don do am again o bí gọ́dù go do am again owó ńlá ti ń bẹ nínú wákò big smoke pẹ̀lú tobacco. Dripping like Grandma Jago.
Big congratulations to Portable about wahala. According to him, he say the wahala. No be say na wahala for fight. He say wahala. Like for Yoruba, if you mean say wahala, that means you go succeed. According to him, then when we do 1 or 2 interviews for him for the lifestyle, then now. Shout out to Portable, shout out to Seyivibez, and make na beg if na dey close to Saloo, or if you be Saloo fans, try dey tell Saloo make he dey calm down sometimes. We know that is what he does. Yes, that is why most of his fans like him. His fans no lenti, MRT, but we love you all and thank you all for always supporting us here on M3 React. You get me what I'm saying now? Now don't forget subscribe if you've not subscribed and share this video. Make them see them. Make you get some latest update about wetin dey sup. As we come away next time. Cheers.